plus 1 over z raised to the 4th power plus 1. Yung limit natin as z approaches I. Take note, pag kinalak natin to, try natin ano. Yung I po dito is imaginary number. Take note. So, pupunta tayo sa my mode 2. Try lang muna natin siyang i-calc. So, x squared plus 1 over, etong x raised to 4 hindi pwede. Diba? Sabi natin sa advanced math, hanggang ano lang yan, hanggang cube. So, bali yung x raised to 4, gawin natin siyang x squared squared. Okay? Plus 1. Then, i-calc natin I. Pero hindi pwede kasi ditong mag-calc ng I. Try lang natin. Ay, pwede pala. So, calc I, 0. Sa choices, walang 0. So, gagawin natin is, gagamitan natin siya ng L'Hopital's rule. Pag sinabi natin L'Hopital's rule, okay, i-derive natin yung numerator. So, anong derivative ng numerator? That is 2z. Okay, over. Derivative ng denominator, that is 4z cubed plus 1. Ngayon, eto, ika-calculate natin yan sa calculator. So, input lang natin si 2x over 4x cubed plus 1. Calc natin x is also I. Ayan. Kung titignan natin, merong lumabas na value. Ay, sorry. Wala na pala to. Derivative ng 1 is 0. Ayan, 0. Calc I. Okay, that is equal to negative 1. Wala kasi sa choices yung 0, pero possible din yung 0 kung ito. Simplify natin to as z squared squared. Okay, next, number 25. Again, na L'Hopital's rule. Pang L'Hopital's, hospital yata yun. Pero L'Hopital's rule yung ano niya, basa. Okay, next, number 25. Y is equal to arc tan ln x. Find dy dx at x equals 1 over t. So, direct calculate. So, just simply derive. Balik ka sa may mode 1. Take note dito naka-trigo function tayo. So, dapat naka-radians yung calculator. So, derivative ng inverse tangent ng ln of x. X is 1 over e. Nasaan yung e? Nandito po siya sa may alpha times 10. Okay, that is 1.359. I-check mo na lang sa calculator kung sino, or i-check mo sa choices kung sino yung equal dyan. Letter A is E, so alpha E. So mali. Letter B, nakadivided sa 2. That is the answer. Letter B. Okay, next number 26. What is the limit of 2x plus 3 over 4x minus 5 as x approaches infinity? O, ganun ulit. Since yung limit natin is approaches infinity, hanapin yung maximum exponent. Ito, naka-raise to 1 sa numerator. Sa denominator, naka-raise to 1 din. Therefore, anong answer? Coefficient of the highest exponent sa numerator over the coefficient of the highest exponent sa my denominator. That is 1/2. So, letter D. Kung ayaw mo naman, gamitan mo siya ng calculator. Diba yung tinuro sa inyo? Input mo lang yung 2x plus 3 over 4x minus 5. Then, i-calc mo siya since infinity 1 times 10 raised to 6. Ay, 0.5 per 1. Pag kinakalk mo siya ng mas madami 0, let's say times 10 raised to 9, mas lumalapit siya doon sa sagot. Yan, papalapit siya. Papalapit. Okay, next, 27. A radio station made a survey of the listening habits of local residents between hours of 5 p.m. and 12 midnight. The survey indicates that the percentage of the local adult population that is tuned to station X hours after 5 p.m. is given factor. 1 over 8 will depend on the quantity gagawin lang natin dito is to maximize number of people listening. So since given naman natin, function natin, function of x equal to 1 over 8 minus 1 squared minus 2x minus 1 over x plus 2 over x equal to 0 plus 2 over 8. So parang naman natin dito yung maximum possible is natin ang maximum function of x. Di ba ginagawa natin between x and 0? Equal to 0, yung first derivative. Okay, so 0 is 1 over 8. Direct natin ang sa loob. So derivative ng what is that? X raised to 4 is 54x minus 2x cubed is 6x squared. Derivative ng 1 to 8x is 1 to 8. Okay, ito na yung multiplication. Balik ko sa multiply yan. 54x minus 6x squared minus 1 to 8 is equal to 0. Simplify lang natin. Negative 6x squared plus 54x minus 108 is equal to 0. Okay, then use mode by 3 para mahanap yung values ng x. May mode by 3 at the equation. So negative 6, 54, negative 100. So 6 and 3. Okay, next. Since nahanap natin ay dalawang value, kailangan natin i-prove kung kanino sa 6 and 3 yung may pinakamataas na f of x. So, kunin lang natin yung f of 6 at saka f of 3 by substituting x equals 6 and x equals 3 dito. So, again, sa calculator, input lang natin 1 over 8 multiplied by 27x squared minus 2x cubed minus 108x plus 240. Okay, kunin natin ang si 6. Ito, 16 over 5. Add natin si 3. That is 13.125. So, comparing the two, ito yung mas mataas. So, kung consider natin pa ng x 6. So, anong oras yon after 5 p.m.? That is 5 plus 6. That is 11 p.m. So, the answer here is letter. Again, tayo 16.5, hindi po yan percentage po yan. Kaya okay lang na magkaroon siya ng less than 10% siya. Okay, next number 28. Ulit, sagot dito pa ay cotangent x 29. Find the second derivative of the inverse cotangent of x with respect to x. Okay, so eto, sa calculator kasi, yes, pwede mo gamitin ko sa inyo na with shortcut or caltech, pero walang inverse cotangent kasi sa calculator. Yun lang ang problema. Wala siyang inverse cotangent. Okay, so ang gawin na lang siguro natin is, meron pa, wala. Inverse tangent lang ang meron. So una, hanapin lang muna natin siguro yung derivative ng inverse cotangent from your derivative table. So ano ang derivative ng inverse cotangent of x? That is negative 1 over 1 plus x squared. Ito ay yung i-derive natin. So second derivative, i-derive lang natin si negative 1 over 1 plus x squared. Yung value ng x natin is 0.16. Okay? So derivative ng negative 1 over 1 plus x squared. X is 0.69. So ito po yung papalabasin natin of the choices. Okay, let's try sa letter A. That is negative 2x over 1 plus x squared. Calc natin 0.69. Okay, negative pero parehas, ibig sabihin yung sagot ay positive. Okay, ito si letter. So, alisin ko lang yung negative. Okay, letter D is the answer. Okay, next. Number 30. The equation tangent to the curve y is equal to x cubed at 1, 1. So again, since nagbigay siya ng point dito, pwede po tayong mag-passing through. Check natin. So using your DM passing through, check natin kung magsasatisfy yung letter A. So 1, 1 po natin na, no? So 1 minus 10 plus 50 not equal to 0. 3x minus y minus 2. So 3 minus 1 is 2 minus 2 is 0. Letter C. So 1 plus 3 minus 4 is 0. Then ito 1 plus 2, 3 minus 7 is not equal to 0. So again, dalawa yung nag-satisfy. So no choice tayo but to use an alternative method. Okay. So ganito na lang yung gawin natin. Since letter B and C ang nag-satisfy, check na lang natin kung kanino yung mag-i-equal ang slope. Okay, bakit? Ang slope po natin for tangent line is equal to the normal slope of that line given that point. So ang gagawin lang natin, hanapin lang natin yung slope nung curve. So hanapin natin yung y prime by substituting x cubed. By substituting the value of x, by deriving pa pala. So given yung y is equal to x cubed, i-derive lang natin to y prime that is equal to 3x squared. Then hanapin natin yung kanyang slope, okay, that is 3 times yung x, so 1 squared. Ang slope niya ay 3. Ngayon, sa choices, hanapin natin yung may slope na 3. Okay? Hanapin natin yung may slope na 3. So, eto. So, we have here 3x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Gawin lang natin siyang slope intercept form. So, y is equal to 3x minus 2. Ano yung kanyang slope? 3. Automatic, yun na yung sagot. Pero check natin muna to. X plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. So, 3y is equal to 4 minus x. So, ano yung kanyang slope? Negative 1/3. So, ito yung ating sagot, si letter B. Di ba sa analytic geometry ninyo, automatic din yung slope. Ayun, yun yung slope na nakalabas na 3. Dapat parehas sila kasi na tangent. Okay, next. Number 31. Find the minimum value of the function f of x is equal to x squared minus x plus 2. So for number 31, again, for minimum value, kailangan nating i-derive. Hanapin yung first derivative ng given function, then equate natin yan to 0. Okay, derive natin yung x squared, that is 2x. Derivative of negative x is 1. Derivative ng 2 is 0. Equate to 0. So what is the value of x? 1/2. Okay, ang tanong, what is the minimum value of the function? Hindi niya tinatanong kung saan nangyari yung minimum value. Ang tanong is the minimum value. So ang hanapin natin dito is the function x, yung value ng y po natin. So f of 1/2, plug in mo lang dito, that is 1/2 squared minus 1/2 plus 2. Okay, that is, so 1/4 minus 1/2 plus 2. So the answer is 7/4. So letter C. Ito find the minimum value of this function. Ibig sabihin ng hinahanapan ng minimum value, yung y or yung function x. Baka ang sinagot nyo ay yung 1/2, nandoon yung minimum value. Doon siya nangyari sa x equals 1. Okay, next. 32. If y is equal to x raised to x, find the derivative of y with respect to x at x equals 1. So, direct calculator po yan. Derivative ng x raised to x at x equals 1, that is equal to 1. So, letter B is the answer. Next, 33. For the given curve, y is equal to 2x minus x squared. When x increases at a rate of 3 units per second, nagbigay po siya ng dx. Theta increases, so positive 3. Then, how is the slope of the curve changes? Gaano daw kabilis nagbabago yung slope? Take note, ang slope ay y prime. Ang tanong, how is the slope of the curve changes? Ang tinatanong dyan is yung y double prime. Nakuha po ba? How is the slope changes? Gaano kabilis nagbabago yung slope? So, dy dt, that's the slope. So, the second derivative of that, okay, first, hanapin natin yung slope by deriving this one. Derivative ng 2x is 2. Derivative ng x squared is 2x. Second derivative. Okay, so we have second derivative natin. Tama ba ako nilagay? 2x. Yes. Then dito, syempre maglalagay tayo ng dx kasi nga nag-direct tayo. Dito lang. Sige, dx. Okay, next. Second derivative. Sige, doon na lang tayo siguro maglagay ng dx. Okay, so derivative ng 2 is 0. Derivative ng negative 2x is negative 2. Ilagay na natin dyan yung dx. And finally, plug in na natin dyan yung dx, so negative 2 times 3. So we have here negative 6. Negative means decreasing at 6 units per second. Okay, next number is number 34. So if y is equal to e raised to x plus e raised to x and so on and so forth, what is its derivative? Okay, sige. Rewrite ko lang. Y is equal to e raised to x plus e raised to x plus e raised to x. Okay, kung papansinin po ninyo, yung y, ito na siya. E raised to x plus e raised to x. Therefore, kung papansinin nyo ito, yung e raised to x plus e raised to x dyan sa exponent, y lang din siya. Okay, so ito, pwede ko siyang palitan as y is equal to e raised to x plus y. Pwede na akong mag-derive ito. Okay, so hanapin yung derivative. Ano ang derivative ng e raised to x plus y? Diba, kukopyahin lang natin yung e raised to x plus y times, i-derive natin yung exponent. Ano ang derivative ng x plus y? So, derivative ng x is 1. Okay, then plus, derivative ng x, yes, 1. Anong derivative ng y? Y prime. I-derive po natin siya implicit. Okay, but ito, yung e raised to x plus y, is siya ito. That is equal to y. Thus, y prime is equal to y times 1 plus y prime. Okay, expand lang natin. So, y prime is equal to y plus y double prime or y prime. At y prime. Then, ilipat ko lang yung y prime sa kabila. So, y prime minus y prime, that is equal to y. Factor out y prime. So, 1 minus y, that is equal to y. So, makuha mo na yung slope. That is simply y over 1 minus 1. So, letter C is the answer. Nakuha. Okay. Next, number 35. Try natin tapusin lahat. Okay. So if x is equal to, or x squared plus y squared is equal to t plus 1 over t, and x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 is equal to t squared plus 1 over t squared, find dy dx. So, medyo mahaba. So x squared kasi parametric po siya. Plus y squared is equal to t plus 1 over t. Okay, yung isa naman is eto. Si x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 is equal to t squared plus 1 over t squared. Okay, so since yung isa naka-raise to 4, yung isa naka-raise to 2, i-manipulate siguro natin ito. Square natin yung equation 1. Try nga natin siyang square. Square both sides. Square both sides. So you have here x raised to 4 plus 2x squared y squared plus y raised to 4 is equal to t squared plus t times 1 over t is 1 times 2, so plus 2 plus 1 over t squared. Diba? Equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Okay, ngayon, try natin i-subtract si equation 3 sa equation. So, complain ko na lang to. Then, i-subtract natin. Okay, pagtapat-tapatin na lang natin ito. So, x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4, t squared plus 1 over t squared. So, pag sinubtract natin yan, magka-cancel na to. So, ito yung matitira. 2x squared y squared, that is equal to 2. Tama? So, giving us x squared y squared is equal to 1. Square root natin both sides. So, xy is equal to 1. Ang tinatanong is dy dx. So, kailangan ko yung 1. So, y is equal to 1 over x. So, ano ba ang derivative? Okay, ano ang derivative ng 1 over x? This is the derivative. Diba derivative is negative 1 over x squared. Wala sa choices yung negative 1 over x squared. Ibig sabihin, by inspection kasi, kung titingnan mo dito, in terms of x and y yung derivative, hindi lang siya purely x. So, bali, try natin gamitin ito. Ilagay ko na lang siya ng switch. Okay. So, ilagay ko na lang siya dito. X squared, y squared is equal to 1. So, kunin lang natin yung y squared is equal to 1 over x squared. Then, take natin yung derivative. Derivative ng y squared is 2y, y prime. And then, derivative ng 1 over x squared is, that is, negative 2 over x cubed. So, hanapin lang natin yung y prime. So, magka-cancel yung 2 dyan. So, meron tayong negative 1 over x cubed y. Check natin. And meron. So, the answer here is letter. Pwede ito yung sagot kung in terms of x lang siya. Pero since in terms of x and y yung sagot, eto yung magiging final answer. Okay, page 1 and page 2. Okay, next, number 36. If y is equal to inverse cotangent of x, then dy dx at x equals 1 is. Okay, for number 36, so y is equal to inverse cotangent of x. Doon sa trigonometry natin, ang inverse cosine, inverse cotangent ng x is parehas lang po yan sa inverse cotangent. Is same lang din siya sa arctan. Arctan, pero babalik na rin natin to. So parang ito, maging y is equal to arctan o inverse tangent of 1 over x. I-try natin sa calculator. Hanapin daw natin yung y prime at x is equal to 1. So, hanapin lang yung derivative ng 1 or inverse tangent ng 1 over x. X equals 1. Naka-radians ba? So, negative 1 half. The choices, walang negative 1 half. Okay, wala. Ano kaya gagawin natin? Check ko lang. Troubleshoot pala to. So, this problem is a past board exam problem. Troubleshoot po itong number 36. Anong troubleshoot? Ito po dapat yung problem. Y must equal to tangent of the inverse cotangent of x. Ito dapat yung problem. Okay, sabi natin, ang cotangent or inverse cotangent is parehas lang yan sa arctangent ng 1 over x. O, ano ba ang tangent ng inverse tangent? Di ba magka-cancel? So, yung y magiging 1 over x. O, ano ba ang derivative ng 1 over x with respect to x na equal to 1? So, derivative ng 1 over x at x equals 1, negative 1. So, the answer here is letter B. Nakuha, tangent of inverse tangent will cancel. Okay, next. Number 37. If, okay, f of x, ilagay ko lang siyang y, is 2 raised to sine of x, what is the derivative? Okay, i-calculator na lang natin itong number 37. Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito is i-calculator natin, i-derive natin yung given. So, derivative of 2 raised to sine of x. Again, yung calculator dapat naka-regions. X is 0.69. Ito dapat yung papalabasin po natin. Okay, next, i-try natin yung mga choices. Ika-calc natin sila. So, letter A is 2 raised to sine of x multiplied by ln of x. Calc, 0.69. So, ito yung lumabas. So, mali na agad sa letter A. Let's try letter B. So, sine x raised to sine x minus 1. Lagyan ko to ng minus 1. Palitan ko to ng sine x. Okay, calc 0.69. Mukhang mali din. Let's try letter C. Palitan lang natin to ng cosine. Then calc 0.69. Ito yung letter C. Mali din. Ibig sabihin, none of the above. Sagot. Ano ba ang tamang derivative niya? So, ano yung derivative ng 2 raised to sine x? Ito yung tamang derivative niya. So, the derivative will be, nag-derive tayo dito ng a raised to, a raised to u. Ano bang derivative ng a raised to u? Okay, that is ln of a multiplied by the derivative of u. Derivative ng sine is cosine. And then, copy lang natin yung a raised to u. Yan dapat yung kanyang derivative. Okay, next, number 38. Evaluate the limit. O, direct calculator po yan. Limit x squared. I-type mo lang expression sa loob ng limit. So, x squared plus 3x minus 4. Una, i-calc muna natin siya. Limit niya daw, x equals 1. So, x equals 1. So, pag nag-math error, gamitin natin siya ng L'Hopital's rule. Dito, hindi applicable yung tinuro ko kanina na yung highest exponent. Bakit? ang limit na dito ay 1, hindi naman siya infinite. Hindi siya applicable. So use your L'Hopital's rule. So derive natin yung numerator. Anong derivative ng x squared minus 1? 2x. Anong derivative ng denominator? 2x plus 3. Okay, try natin. I-calc natin x equals 1. So 2x over 2x plus 3. Calc 1. That is equal to 2 over 5. So letter B. Okay, next, number 39. Kaya natin matapos itong DC. Find the slope of the curve x squared plus y squared plus 6x plus 10y plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, at 0.10. So gamit po tayo dito ng implicit differentiation. So derivative ng x squared is 2x. Derivative ng y squared is 2y, y prime. Plus derivative ng 6x is 6. Derivative ng 10y is 10, y prime. Isolate lang natin yung mga y prime. Is equal to negative 2x minus 6. So y prime times 2y plus 10 is equal to negative 2x minus 6. Ito yung slope natin. That is negative 2x minus 6 over 2y plus 10. Input mo yan sa calculator. So negative 2x minus 6 over 2y plus 10. And i-calc mo yan using the point given, x is equal to 1, y equals 0. So yan yung slope natin, negative 4. Okay, wala. Walang negative 4/5, pero may 4/5 doon sa choices. Anong pipiliin natin? 4/5 na ba? Letter D. Parang hirap na mag-troubleshoot ulit. So kung yung 4/5, pwede kasi lahat naman sila ay positive numbers. But the trick here is merong whole number, si 1. Pwede sana kung yung letter C, for example, 3/5. Diba? 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5. The answer is letter D. Pero 1 kasi yung letter C. Medyo doubtful yung choices. So, try nating i-troubleshoot in another way. Paano kaya? Magikin natin. Paano siya to-troubleshoot? Okay, so try natin. Passport exam ba to? Yes, passport exam. Yung troubleshoot dito, nasa isang sign. Okay? Troubleshoot daw natin yung positive 6x as negative 6x. So, bale, pares lang naman yung process. Dito lang siya mag-iiba pag tin-troubleshoot. Bale, magiging y prime is equal to negative 2x plus 6 na siya over 2y plus 10. So, bale dito, papalitan ko lang to ng plus 6. Then, calc natin 1 at saka 0. So, may lumabas na 2/5. Based from the key answer, letter B daw yung sagot. So, yun yung susundan po natin. O, di ba? Tama na sana yung sagot natin na letter D. Ayan, mali pa. Yan yung yung mga nakakalito sa board exam. Yung you are confident enough dun sa sagot mo, pero may maliit na detail. Ito yung detail na yon si 1. Para masabi nating mali yung assumption na. Okay, next. Number 40. What is the radius of curvature at point 1, 2 of the curve 4x minus y squared equals 0? Ganun ulit. Ang formula ng radius of curvature is 1 plus y prime squared raised to 3 halves over y double prime. Yung equation natin, 4x minus y squared equals 0. So y squared is equal to 4x. First derivative. So 2y, y prime is equal to 4. So yung y prime natin is 4 over 2y. That is equal to, ang ginawa ko, 2y, y prime. Yes. That is 2 over y. Next, second derivative. Ano ang derivative ng 1 over y? So negative 2 over y squared. Okay, next, plug in natin yung point. So at point 1, 2, that is 2 over 2, so 1. Next, dito naman at point 1, 2, that is negative 2 over 2 squared, so negative 2 over 4, negative 1. So check na natin kung meron. So 1 plus y prime is 1, so squared raised to 3 halves over negative 1 half. Since negative yung lalabas dito, let's take the absolute value. Kasi dun sa formula mismo ng radius of curvature, may absolute value yan. Hindi pwedeng maging negative yung radius. So 2 raised to 3 halves times 2. Ayan, 5.656. Letters. Okay. Next number. Medyo madali na lang yung mga nasa number 41. Evaluate the limit. O, direct calculator. Again, na yung calculator dapat naka-radians. So, tangent ng 2x over tangent of x. As x approaches 0, ikakalk natin dito 1 times 10 raised to negative 6. So the answer is 2. Saktong-sakto. Okay, next. Number 41. 42. In the equation y is equal to ln 1 minus z over z, the limit of y as z approaches a value of 0. Bale, direct calculator ulit. So since sabi niya dito, the value of z approaches to 0, so 1 times 10 raised to negative 6. So ikakalk na lang ulit natin si ln of 1 minus x over x. So calc 1 times 10 raised to negative 6. Okay, approaches negative 1. So letter A. Okay, next. Number 43. Ganun ulit, direct calculator. So tangent of 2x minus 2 sine of x over x cubed. I-calc natin, x is 0, or approach is 0, ito pa rin, 1 times 10 raised to 6. The answer is 3. Next, number 44. Objective. It is a point in which the concavity of the function changes. Okay, pag yung sinabi natin concavity of the function changes, nandoon yung point of inflection. Second derivative point. Okay, next. Number 45. Okay, complete the following statement. The blank is defined as the set of real numbers such that a or x is greater than a but less than b and is represented by this. Okay, yung parenthesis AB, pag sinabi natin ganito, ibig sabihin, kasali yung A and B, so ibig sabihin that is a, pagkasama yung A and B. That is an open interval. Okay, pag ganito naman, yung bracket na ganito, yung parang stapler, closed interval naman. So the answer here is letter. Pinapag-aralan po yan sa algebra. Yung mga set of real numbers, mga ganun. Okay, next, 46. The last 5 problems. So what is the gradient of the following function at point 32? Pag sinabi po natin gradient, gradient is the same as slope. So, bale, hanapin lang natin yung slope na to. Hanapin yung f prime of x at this point, 3, 2. So, bale, direct calculator, i-derive lang natin si 4x cubed, okay, plus 3x squared minus 1. Ano yung value ng x? Yun siya, 3. So, 126. That third. Okay, next, number 47. An inductor of 2 millihenry inductance has a current flowing to it with an equation I is equal to 3 sine of 377t. What is the voltage across it after 3 milliseconds of switching? So itong problem na to is an application of differential calculus doon sa ating electrical engineering subject. Medyo nahalo lang siya. Pero kung alam mo na ito, so good. Para hindi mo na siya i-recall doon sa DC circuits. Okay, ang voltage po across an inductor with respect to your time t is defined as this one. Voltage across an inductor. So Vn. That is L times the rate of change of the current. Okay, ano ba yung L natin? 2 millihenry. Ano ba yung Di? I-derive mo yung equation ng L. So derivative ng 3 sine of 377t with respect to time t. Yung value ng t is 3 milliseconds. So 3 times 10 raised to negative 3. Okay, so 2 millihenry times yung derivative ni 3 sine of 377x. Take note, calculator must be in regions. So 3 times 10 raised to negative 3 yung x. So 0.963 volts. So letter D. Okay. Next, number 48. A missile fired ground level, or a missile is fired, the ground level rises x meters vertically upwards in t seconds and x equals 100t minus the quantity 25 over 2 times t squared. Find the initial velocity of the missile. Pag sinabi nating initial velocity, pag sinabi nating initial, wait lang, parang kulang yata. So, pag sinabi nating initial velocity, syempre magagaling siya sa may ground level. Tama. Ibig sabihin, the value of x is equal to 0. Hindi pa siya tumaas, diba? Wala pa siyang height. So, x is equal to 0. Or pwede rin, ano bang mga condition pa? Initial velocity, ganun din, t. Yung time mo is equal to 0. Okay. So, since ang tinatanong is velocity, and given yung x, hanapin na lang natin x prime. Kasi yung x prime is also your velocity. Then, gamitin yung conditions na to. Ito na lang siguro, x prime using your t is equal to 0. I-derive lang natin yan using your calculator. So, derivative ng 100x plus 25 over 2, or minus pala ito, times x squared, then x is 0. And that is equal to 100. That is the initial velocity. Okay. Next number 49. What is the derivative of a constant? Ano bang derivative ng constant? 0. So letter D. And last number 50. What is the maximum area of a barn if it will be raised from a land with an existing perpendicular wall given that the fence is limited to 35 meters. Okay, so meron na daw tayong dito, wall na existing. Ngayon, babakuran na lang natin yung natitirang land dito, land area. Ngayon, ano yung maximum area? Ano yung dimensions? Okay, for maximum area, okay, of a rectangle with two existing perpendicular to a perpendicular walls. So the area is square. So area po yan ng square. Okay, so since given ito yung fence na limited to 35 meters, thus yung sum ng x plus y is equal to 35. And since sabi natin yung area na produce ay square, parehas lang yung x and y. And therefore, what is the value of x? Okay, that's 35 over 2. We have 17.5. That's in units. Ayan, so pwede mo na hanapin yung area, that is simply x squared. 306.25 square. So that is letter A. Ayan, so na-solve natin lahat. So no problem tayo dito. Just count the number of correct answers and submit it on our GC or dun sa classroom. Okay, so again, kung hindi kayo napag-screenshot kanina, screenshot mo na lang ulit ito ng mabilis before ko i-end yung ating Zoom. Okay, so mabilis. Okay. Page 1, 4. Next. Next. Okay, next. 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 Next page. Next page. Okay, and last page. Okay. So ayan, kung may questions, just